na 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 na. Ooh. This is a rum biker, rum rider. Give your back a rep, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo. We're outside again, family tree. So yeah, we're trying a new thing now, man. What we're doing is we're just gonna go out for a long ride, and we're gonna make it in parts and seasons. Not necessarily seasons, but parts. If you're new to the channel, family, don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe. And anybody that wants to, you know, contribute, show some appreciation via them pocket, become a member. You get something back. Donate using the PayPal if you just want to support. You get me? Anyway, I hope you enjoy these visuals. We're going to be riding over by, I don't know, we're going over by, I don't know, Handsworth Way, Lozells, maybe a bit of town. We're just circling, man, why not? Let's see what we see. Sometimes it's nice to just come out by yourself at your own pace. It's always nice to have another rider, to be fair. But everyone's availability is slightly different, isn't it? And I just like doing my own thing. Sometimes I just like the peace of being on my ones, to be fair. I wonder if that was some little twisty lane. Very frigate, I know. You know, all this time I didn't know that pub was called the Cat and the Fiddle. No, so we're not waiting in all of that. Why is everyone so busy today, man? Why? This is gonna be too long, mate. Listen. Stay tuned for more, family. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. We out.
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a from biker, from rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.